Hello, welcome to my Access 2016 presentation. So this is our first lesson in Access, and for this first lesson, we were asked to create a new blank desktop database. And then to do this, I used the templates from Access. So I started by creating a table using the contacts application part. So this is where it is, the contacts application part. I started from here, and then after that I had to delete some of, because this contacts application part had other fields in the desktop database table, so I had to delete some of the fields, which I did, so that I could only remain with the ones that I need. As you can see, here's the last name, first name, email, mobile phone, address, city, etc. So after doing that, after deleting the fields that were not required in this exercise, I saved and switched to the data view sheet. So before, this was the view. So this was the design view before. Then after that, I switched to the data view, data sheet view. So this is the data sheet view. Then I was asked to enter the information for 5 students, which I did. I entered the information here. This is where the information is. Then after that, after entering the information for the 5 students, I was asked to enter in the notes page, which is the notes page. This is the part. I was asked to enter the students' major. So I entered the majors here. After that, I was asked to sort the students that I entered in ascending order. So I clicked in there, and then I went to selection here. So not selection, sorry. I went to ascend, sorry about that. I went to ascending. Then ascending order, it was able to arrange the names according to the alphabet, which is A to Z. So the names changed and they were arranged in ascending order. Then after that, the next step that I was supposed to do was to filter to filter and create a display of students with the same majors. So I was to filter and display the students with the same majors as myself, because one of the students here is myself, and my major is business. So I clicked in business there. Then I went to selection. Then I only clicked on contains only business, and this is the screen I had, because there's only one student with a major of business. This is what I ended up with. And then the next thing I did was, it said delete all query forms. So these are the query forms that were here. So forms, queries, and forms. So I had to delete each one of them. Then the other thing that I did, well, that's about all that I did. And then the other thing that I can mention in this presentation is what I've learned so far. So Access is new to me. So I would say I've learned everything about this lesson, and I must say that I find it to be very interesting, and I look forward to learning more. I look forward to learning more and to know more about Access. Thank you.